Hi, welcome to 2021. I have a very happy new year. My name is Greg Twemlow. I'm a founder of SEVENmile Venture Lab, and I'm the designer of a program that we call Life-Skills Schema. We developed this in 2020, and what the Life-Skills Schema is all about is helping people to understand and learn the 9 key life skills that we think are really important for everybody to learn and to practice. And when I say everybody, I literally mean people from perhaps as young as around 12 right through to people in their 70s, literally. And these are skills that are increasingly so important for people to be employable and to, importantly, to realize their personal potential. We were fortunate enough to pilot a program using the Life Skills Schema here in Manly at St. Paul's Catholic College with a cohort of 15 and 16-year-old students. It was tremendously successful from any way you look at it. And we were so happy and so pleased to see the program launched. The Life Skills Schema is a matrix of 9 skills. It's organized as a 3 by 3. So there are 3 themes to the skills. One is consciously exploring, the other is realizing goals, and the third is influencing effectively. And in each of those themes, there are 3 key skills that are important to learn and to consciously apply in your daily life. What's clear now, too, is that the traditional high school graduates and even college graduates, they worked very hard. They've done their hard work. They've done their testing and they've graduated high school, they've graduated college, but the reality is that employers are using those results less and less. And what they're looking for in the people they employ are the life skills that we've defined in our life skills schema. And if you want to understand a little bit more, you may want to go to lifeskills.media. That's the website. We also, because Life Skills Media is a project of SEVENmile Venture Lab, if you go to our sevenmile.org.au website and click on the blog, you'll see there's a whole report there, a detailed report of the project we ran at the college, the high school college here in Manly in 2020. As I said, it was a fantastic success, and what we're looking forward to is expanding the program in 2021. We've got support from our state government education department, who were the sponsor of the program in 2020. And as I said, everyone, all of the stakeholders in that project were just so delighted with the results. Great reaction from the students, and it just was seen by everyone as a major success. What we would love to see in 2021 is that we can take this life skills schema and apply it to other age groups. And the ones that come to mind could be, the over 50s who perhaps find themselves suddenly no longer with that corporate job and realizing that they're probably going to find it very difficult to be employed again. College students who are graduating, having worked very hard for 3 years, they get their bachelor degree. They find that actually it's not necessarily enough to get them employed, particularly in the post-COVID employment market. And so we think that there's a very broad role here for the life skills program that we developed across a very broad age group. to help give them the skills that will actually make them attractive to employers. Thanks for listening. This was just a short introductory video. As I said, go to either sevenmile.org.au website or to lifeskills.media website to find out a whole lot more. Thanks for listening, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.